The issue of domestic violence has made global headlines in the last year, and in Kern County, these cases continue to be a major issue. Last year alone, there were nearly 7,000 domestic violence-related cases here in the county, and in the city of Bakersfield, there were more than 1,500 domestic violence-related calls put into law enforcement. A weapon was involved in more than 300 of those calls. 23 ABC's Leslie Marine tells us how beneficial a new domestic violence program spearheaded by the county will be for our community, and we do want to warn you that some of the video you're about to see is graphic.
Almost 2 weeks since the tape leaked on.
We've seen it make headlines nationally and even right here in our community. Domestic violence continues to be a growing issue.
Domestic violence in Kern County is a huge issue in that it affects people of all ages.
Currently, misdemeanor domestic violence offenders face up to 3 years probation, a 52-week counseling course, and hefty fines. But according to the district attorney's office, the punishments aren't stopping the problem.
Right now, we don't have anything in place to get early intervention.
And early intervention can be key.
We want to help the people that are low-level offenders before the violence gets too bad.
Through a new domestic violence program led by the DA's office, offenders will be given the chance to enter a 12-week diversion program
that will focus on domestic violence, how to better handle the situation, how to deal with their anger.
Along with an $85 fee, offenders will avoid having a domestic violence charge on their record. And while it might sound like the punishments are less, family and marriage therapist Linda Warnick says it's a step in the right direction.
Anything at all that we can do to slow this stuff down, hallelujah. Okay. Because it causes so much problem.
Profits from the program will also go towards victim services and making sure that violence ends on the first offense.
We want to be able to get into that family, get the abuser some counseling, and hopefully stop it right there.
Leslie Marine, 23 ABC.
And we wanted to see how we compared with similar-sized metropolitan cities in the state. These statistics are from 2013. Riverside had a total of 884 domestic violence calls. Merced had 527, Modesto 887, and Santa Barbara 334. Bakersfield had nearly 1,600 total domestic violence calls. And if you do need help dealing with domestic violence, you can call the Alliance Against Family Violence and Sexual Assault. The 24-hour hotline is 661-327-1091.